Thank you, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna play. Huh? Oh well. Where did it go? Where is it? Koa, it was you chasing me. Where did you get that RC car? They got from me for Walmart.
Surprise, Koa! I got you a present.
Yay, what is it?
You'll have to open it up and find out.
Okay. I'm so excited.
Whoa! What did you get, Koa?
Well, I got my own very own Batman car. I can even put Batman in. I have an idea. I think I'm gonna play Melody. Let's go! That thing looks fast, but it's not faster than me. You can run, but you can't hide.
Later.
Daddy! Cole's been chasing me with this RC car.
What do you think we should do about that, Melody?
I want an RC car too.
I'm way ahead of you.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. I love it.
You're welcome. I knew I'd find the perfect presents at Walmart. They have all the hottest toys that kids really want, and they make it easy to shop in the store or online with store pickup.
Wow, this thing is huge. I can't wait to surprise Koa. I wonder where Manny is. Where's Manny? Oops, didn't see you there. Coming through. I got my own RC car. Watch out, Minnie. Minnie, why are you chasing me? Let's call it a truth. Deal. Wow, that's a crazy cool car you have, Melody. Thanks, Koa. Mine's a Rhino-made monster truck from Hot Wheels. And it's so cool. And check out this crackle paint. It's like rhino skin. Yours is pretty cool too, Koa. Yay! Yeah, it's super fast. You want to race? You're on. You got the Batman RC all-terrain vehicle. It's lightweight and it's super fast. And it fits 4-inch Batman figures. Set, go! I won! Good job, Koa. You're right. That thing is really fast. Yes. But mine has a few tricks too. Check this out. Whoops. I'm trying to show you my steam vapor effect. Whoa! The working lights are a nice touch. It's safe, no worries. Oh, and my Rhino-Knight can ride itself. I could watch this all day. Let's play tag. You're it. Let's go somewhere with more space, Koa. Let's go over there. Yeah! Bye, Wing! I think I'll take the high road. Hey, Cole, watch this. Watch that again. Okay, turning around. One more time. Whee! Good thing it's made to drive on its back wheels. I love showing off this effect. Okay, enough of that. So, what do you think of my ride on my car? So cool! But I even have a better trick. You do? What is it? Koa, careful! Don't go in the water or you'll sink! Nope. Watch this. It's okay, Minnie. It drives on water! Can even fly from water to land. Whoa, it keeps going. Daddy, whose car's the coolest? Mine or Koa's? Mine is the coolest.
Kids, you're both winners. I wish I had cars like these when I was a kid. These are awesome. Parents, if you want your kids to be winners too, head over to Walmart or walmart.com for all the hottest toys.
That was so fun! Bye! Bye! Check out all the coolest RC cars from Walmart, including the Batman all-terrain RC vehicle and Hot Wheels Dynamite. Find all the hottest holiday gifts at Walmart, America's best toy shop. Thank you, Walmart, for sponsoring this video.